As soon as these Italian workers saw signs of a collapse, they made a run for it. Probably the best decision of their lives. Just seconds later, 350 cubic meters of rock came crashing down. Having a house by a river sounds great, as long as it doesn't turn into a house in a river.
That's crazy how much stuff is just built up right there. Oh my.
This lava flow might not be moving fast, but it's destroying everything in its path. Back in 2018, this eruption in Hawaii had residents watching in horror as the lava crept closer to their homes. In 2011, the people of Genoa, Italy, experienced the wrath of the Mediterranean Sea. Due to the non-stop rain, most of the city was flooded. The total damage was estimated to be over $1 billion.
Guarda quei qua, ma come fanno a passare quelli lì?
In 2023, heavy rains in India caused rivers to overflow. Unfortunately, nature didn't hold back, and many houses paid the price. Being an Antarctic researcher is a challenging job, and this is just a simple walk from one module to another. had a surprise in store for the French Riviera just before the 63rd Cannes Film Festival.
In this case,
here's another example of what nature can do to a car. The freezing winds in Detroit caused water pipes to burst, and the cars left on the street ended up frozen solid.
In Dearborn Heights today, this team from the city digging, salting, cold weather crew, showing off its teamwork that is making the dream work for Cheryl Fritz. That crew was pushing water and ice off the street. It is so cold, covering the cars instantly, as Cheryl tried to get out there to move them. Make no mistake, no defroster, no ice scraper was going to help free these vehicles from this ice. Dearborn Heights.
This is freaking cool, dude. Wow. This is actually dope. Oh my
You might think an artist created an entire ice city, but no, these are real houses covered in ice. The strong winds that brought water from the nearby lake are to blame.
This is crazy. Their windows are screwed. Look at this. Jesus. Wow. Oh my God. Sorry for being this is unbelievable.
This tsunami that hit California was caused by an earthquake off the coast of Japan. The water level rose by almost a meter. Even though the tsunami had weakened by the time it reached this port, it still caused $26 million in damage.
Right back up here if it gets under.
The sound of this landslide is so intense that it reminds me of a raging river.